Hi everyone, I'm Katie, an infant toddler Montessori teacher and registered early childhood educator. Today I'm going to share a science experiment with you where we explore color mixing with oil and water. So what you will need is a see-through container. So I'm using the sensory tubes, but you can also use a recycled bottle. You just want to make sure it's clear, and you want to make sure that you can really tighten the lid because we're going to be filling it with liquid. And then what you'll want to do is you'll need enough water to fill your container halfway, and then you'll also need some baby oil that's going to fill it the rest of the way. You will also need a water-based food coloring. So on this food coloring, I know that it's water-based because I look at the back of the ingredients and the first ingredient is water. And then you will also need an oil-based food coloring. So this one says right here, oil food coloring. So it's really important to have the two different types. So let's start with the preparation. So I'm going to take this, start with the water. I'm just going to put some food coloring in there, the water-based food coloring into the water. Stir that up so that everything is mixed. And then we're just going to pour it. We'll stop there. All right. And now I'm going to take my baby oil, pour that, about a cup. Now we're going to add the oil-based food coloring into the oil. So I'm going to be using red and yellow today. Let's use the other end. Just give that a good mix. Looks pretty good. And now we're just going to slowly add this to the top. And you can see right away that the oil and the water don't mix. All right. And then you really want to make sure the lids are tight, like I said. And there we've got the red and the yellow, and when we shake it, it turns orange. And then if you just let it rest, you're going to see the colors separate again. So you want to use food coloring that is the primary colors so that you can really see the full effect of the colors mixing. And then you've got a color mixing sensory bottle. That's also a science experiment where we explore color mixing. If you like this experiment, check out our blog post titled 5 Experiments You Can Do with Toddlers. I will link to it in the description below. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, it really helps our channel if you like and subscribe. This helps other parents to find our channel. And if you have a question, feel free to comment your question below and we'll answer it in a future video. Take care. Bye.